Hey, what's up guys, it's the Wallers here, back with another video, and we are opening Blizzard Box. Let's hop into it. Okay, so you can see what we can pull here. There's Snow Globe, Holiday Gift, Hot Chocolate, Holiday Wreath, and there's Gingerbread Man and House, Snowman, Santa Claus, and then the chromas are a Frost Wreath and a Tropical Globe. We're looking for Santa. I have 1,111 coins. That was not planned. I've just been hitting my daily limit most days that I can. And I just pulled the Mega Box, so that's a positive. First ever Blizzard Box open for me. I have never opened one of these. Gingerbread House, rare first try. I'll take it. Let's go. Holiday Wreath. I'll probably keep the new one slowed down on any probably rares. Both the rares. Two rares. Both of the rares before I pull two different commons. Holiday Gift. Juice. So that means we only need Snow Globe and Hot Chocolate left of anything rare or under. Snow Globe, that's new. Let's go. Gingerbread House, I'll take it. Let's go. Snowman! Let's go! First 200 coins! I think that might be number 7, if my math is right. Or is that... No, it would be... math time. I think that's number 11. I don't know, you can check my math. But that... a snowman that early is honestly amazing. So we're missing Hot Chocolate, Santa Claus, and the chromas. Not a bad start. Let's go. Take it. Let's go. Take it. Did I just open the wrong box? Just open the box. Nope, I just pulled the bug out of the Blizzard box. And that was terrible. Hot Chocolate, let's go. This is honestly my favorite looking. Might be despite from the chromas, because some of the chromas look really cool, but this is my favorite in looks. I've looked at all of them before, and this one looks actually like so cool. Now I just need Santa Claus and the chromas. Snow Globe, why? No. Come on. I'm stuck on. Nothing really. Gingerbread Man, finally a rare. That took forever. We're like 700 coins in. Yeah, we're about 700 coins now. Only once. I'm hoping for at least another snowman before snowman. Gingerbread House, rare, take it. Nothing going. We're getting nothing good. What? Oh my god. No, that did not just happen. No. Santa Claus, oh my god. That did not just happen. No way. Let's go. 1% Santa Claus pulled. Let's go. This is like the spooky box all over again. Oh my goodness. No, I guess we just opened to pull a chroma? If I pull a chroma, then that's gonna be crazy. I'll open these last two boxes without speeding it down. Oh my goodness. And a snowman ended up. Oh my goodness. That is, oh my gosh. So, oh my goodness, legendary Santa Claus. You can also see, I have most of the books in the game. I don't have any chromas, I'm just missing those two legendaries. So at least for me, that is huge because I now have all of the uncommon, rares, and epics in the game, which I think is really cool. Okay, selling time. Okay, we have 300 coins left over. A little more than that. But, I mean, we'll open. I can't believe I pulled it. This is the first day also. December 1st. This is the first day. Oh my goodness. And I pulled a Santa at 5:36. So within the first 6 hours of this box releasing, I've pulled the legendary. Don't call me a bucket sweat. Shoes, gingerbread man, take it. Okay, nothing really happened much there. Pulled a few rares. I guess it's time to sell again. Only one rare there with 300 coins. I thought we would get maybe another one. I mean, you got 12 boxes then, only one rare. Not very good luck. But we're gonna keep opening until we're out of coins. This could be our last before selling time. We have 3 here. Oh, we have 3 here and then we're guaranteed another one after selling. Okay, I'm pretty sure if I did my math right. Gingerbread house, let's go. Which I probably did not. Snow globe. That's one on itself, I think. I think we have 2 more after this. There's not really enough stuff to be selling to slow down for selling time, you know? So we're just gonna keep that part sped up. We have 2 more. We need at least 1 rare. Snow globe. Snow globe is actually probably my second favorite. And then probably present. I don't like wreath very much. But I mean, I wouldn't be mad if we got frosted wreath, you know? Just saying. Just saying. Or tropical globe, you know? Just saying, you can give me it. Gingerbread man, we have 1 more box. And will we be able to pull a chroma? The answer is no. But I'm gonna make it dramatic anyways. Holiday wreath. Of course, best ending. Okay, that... I can't believe we pulled Santa there. If you guys liked that bucket opening, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out when you go down and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!